Now we're going to learn how to create transition variations using the shadow transition technique. Import the combined transition we made earlier into the CapCut menu. We'll cut each color variation of the transition into a single transition. Click Split, then delete the parts you don't need. And this is how it looks. Then export it. Next, go back to the Project menu. Select a different transition color, cut out the unused parts, and export it. Now, import the two transitions into the CapCut menu. This is what the initial view looks like. Now tap the transition on the left, select Overlay, then choose Remove Background. Select Chroma Key, move the middle point to the green color and adjust it until it looks neat. This is the initial appearance. Then move the overlay far from the transition above. Make sure the ending on the upper transition is green, then select Freeze. Next, move the overlay slightly behind the transition like this. When the upper transition fully covers the screen, select Split. Then move it behind the green screen like this. Then crop the green screen to match the transition as desired. Check everything again to make sure it looks clean. Once everything is done, make sure the video is 5 seconds long. Tap the transition on the right, choose Freeze, and trim it so that the total duration of the video becomes 5 seconds. Then export it. Here is the technique for creating shadow transitions that we can also upload to Adobe Stock. Next, the final technique is turning the transition into an aesthetic style.